What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, we are back with another video, another banger for you guys. Tectonic, one of the projects that is super underrated in the crypto space, super slept on, but it won't be for much longer. We'll be covering some interesting charts in this video and how they correlate to Tonic and the future of Tonic, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, Meme Coin Daily 1,300 subscribers, please be sure, Tonic fam, to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting this video is like free marketing for the Tonic project, so sharing it, spreading the video, doing our best to get it out into the algorithm could get new eyes on the Tonic project. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Now, when we take a look at Tonic, we see 29,410 people has it on their watch list. That number is just gonna keep growing. $9 million in market cap. Great upside for Tonic. 10x, 100x, 400x. Don't rule it out for a project like this, guys. Part of the Cronos ecosystem. 72k in 24-hour trade volume, up 62%. Very nice to see. A lot of people are scooping up their Tonic, which is absolutely great, right? Now, like I said in my previous videos, right now we're gonna be in this crab market, going along with the trends of the broader market. Okay, we're gonna be following the top market mover, which is Bitcoin. And you know, Bitcoin is going sideways. We're still in this bear market. We're still, you know, don't have much catalyst or any bullish things right now. This is the time where you accumulate. This is the time you DCA. These are the moments that you don't pass up for life-changing wealth in the future. These are the moments that you will stick to your plan. You keep working on your plan, and then your future self will thank you. You pat yourself on the back. Even if you're here right now at this moment, you are a genius and a legend for being here in this horrendous bear market. Market conditions, like I've seen from TA experts, they've said it's the worst that we've ever seen. It's the worst that we've ever seen, guys. That is something that you should commend yourself for, that you're still here in this market, right? You should be super proud of yourself that you're sticking to your plan. Everyone else in the space that have already left the space, everyone else, when you mention crypto to them right now, they'll think you're crazy. They think you're a crazy person. Believe in yourself. You believe in Tonic. So right now you're accumulating, you're DCAing in. And then when the market finally turns around, they'll be the same people that were ridiculing you for sticking through this market. Those same people will be FOMOing in at the highs. That's just how it works. It happens. It happened for the past 3 cycles already, and it's gonna happen again. History doesn't necessarily repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind. Props to every single one of you for sticking to your plan and accumulating at these levels. Now, if we take a look at the Tonic Explorer, we'll see 36,569 addresses hold Tonic. That number is increasing at a steady pace. Right now, you know, the growth will be a bit more slow, a bit more steady, but you know, these are the type of sayings that you hear all the time, and it applies to these type of market conditions that we have right now. Slow and steady wins the race, but this number keeps increasing, which is great to see, guys. That's absolutely bullish for Tonic, and one of the main selling factors for Tonic that I truly believe will make it go to crazy levels in the future is that it is one of the heavy hitters for the Cronos ecosystem, one of the top projects for the Cronos ecosystem. When we take a look at the Tonic website, it is a DeFi project. A lot of the market makers, institutions, hedge funds, top brass in the investment space are taking a look at DeFi a lot more now because of what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. It's better to go decentralized, and a project like Tonic that is a decentralized cross-chain money market where you can earn passive yield and access instant backed loans. A DeFi project, very unique DeFi project, will carve out itself in this space and fully take over in the future. One of the top DeFi projects in the future. I have no doubt in my mind about that. As the Chronos ecosystem develops, as the Chronos ecosystem grows, a lot of those investors in the Chronos ecosystem will utilize Tonic some way, somehow. So much TVL right now, guys. Solana right now, Tonic has more TVL than Solana. Let's go to DeFi Llama real quick so you guys could take a look at that, guys. It's absolutely insane what's happening right now. This is why I say Tonic will be a force to be reckoned with in the future. $206 million of TVL for Solana. Solana is absolutely, I don't know what to say, guys. It's just going downhill. Will this project ever make a comeback? I have no idea, right? But the projects that I'm sure will be here to stay is the Chronos ecosystem. Crow, that project will be here to stay. That's not going anywhere. And the heavy hitters on the Crow ecosystem will be here to stay as well. If we select, see right here, $158.54 million in TVL for Tonic, then we select the amount borrowed as well, $282.48 million in TVL for Tonic. Guys, currently right now Tonic has more TVL than Solana. 246 million for Solana, 282 million for Tonic. And Solana was one of the top projects in the space. It's still holding it, it's still high up there, very high up there, but I have no idea if that project will make a comeback. But I know for a fact, like I said, Crow not going anywhere, and projects that are developing on the Crow ecosystem that are continuously growing and pushing forward, like Tectonic, will be here to stay as well. So, think about that today, guys. Tectonic has more TVL than Solana. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap real quick just to see Solana right here, number 17. So say for example, because of the TVL and the development of Tonic, we get to a market cap of Solana, because Solana has this is bear market levels for Solana. This isn't even this isn't even bull market levels for Solana. So let's see Tonic, and you could be like, well, you can't really compare the two, but one of them has more TVL than the other. One of them has more TV. We just saw it on DeFi Llama, guys. One of them has more TVL than the other right now, right? So you can't really say, well, you can't really compare the two projects. They're two different projects. I'm just looking at market caps right now. So for Tonic to get to the market cap of Solana, that is a 363x. And that will put Tectonic at 0.00003, 4 zeros free, right? That's 363x. Can you rule that out for Tectonic, guys? I don't think so. Anything is possible in the crypto space. Expect the unexpected. Obviously, more feasible and more realistic targets would be a 10x, 100 mil market cap, or 100x, $1 billion in market cap. For that 400x, you need to get to $4 billion in market cap. That would be the 400x, right? So it's more feasible, it's more realistic for a 10 to 100x for Tonic, guys. So who knows what could happen though. If we do go through this phase where we do get a blow off top and all of these projects send to brand new all-time highs and absolutely crazy levels in the future. Imagine the FOMO that will happen. That will be peak FOMO. The moves of altcoins will be insane. The moves of altcoins will be absolutely insane. And you might have a target set for your project and it absolutely blows past your targets, right? We can't rule that out if we do indeed go through deflation. If we do indeed go through deflation and we see a blow off top for the stock market and crypto, Bitcoin going through its blow off top phase to 100 to 300k like the charts I've shown you guys earlier. If something like that happens, not saying it's guaranteed, because nothing in crypto is guaranteed, but if something like that happens, what type of market cap will Tonic get to? Now, I had this tweet bookmarked from David Crow, 2025 $1.50 Crow, or what you guys think, right here. And as you guys can see, it's gonna be a bunch of sideways leading up to a huge break to the upside. We'll just continue going up. It will just be non-stop upward movements to the upside. People might rule it out and be like, man, that's not possible. But brand new all-time highs for crypto.com. Look at what the project did in the last bull cycle. You guys don't think Crow will absolutely crush it in the next bull market? Whenever that happens, could be next year, could be 2025. Just stick to your plan. Don't ever get distracted or deter from your plan, because whenever it does happen, that's when your life will change forever. And with Crow going to these type of levels, what do you think Tonic will do, being a low cap gem on the Crow ecosystem, on crypto.com exchange, by the way? Tonic would be considered the meme coin, even though it's a utility project. Even though it's a utility project, Tonic would be considered one of the meme coins of the Crow ecosystem, just because of all the zeros. People see all the zeros, think meme coin. Obviously Tonic has great use case, but I'm just thinking from a psychological perspective, when all the new retail investors get into the space and see so many zeros on a project, there are thoughts of being able to get a lot of shares for a little bit of spending money. That will be multiplied by how much ever number of people. That would be a lot of people on crypto.com, using crypto.com, seeing Tonic and thinking to themselves, wow, look at all those zeros, I could get so much shares of this project. Man, this project will absolutely go bonkers. And just that psychological perspective, just like how other projects with a lot of zeros have their thought process. Oh, I just need it to go to 1 cent, I need it to go to $1. If it does this, I make this amount. That psychological perspective for Tonic is great. It's absolutely great for a project like this, because when it's bull market time and FOMO is at its peak levels, that narrative is going to be a trend for Tonic, where it just keeps moving to the upside. People keep FOMOing in and the cycle just continues to repeat itself. So yeah, don't rule out something like that for this project, guys. Like I said, this is a very bullish project. I realize the Tonic community is super based, the Tonic team is as well. Now, always manage your risk. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but a project like this is very promising and has so much potential for the future. Now it's just wait and see, right? Now it's just accumulate, diamond hand, wait and see. That's all it boils down to at this point, right? Imagine being able to go back in time and buy some of your favorite projects at the lows, right? Imagine being able to do that. Well, the opportunity is here. The opportunity has presented itself for you guys, and for the people that have stuck around and are still here, you will be rewarded for that. Tonic absolutely is gonna crush it. I can't wait to see a project like Tonic absolutely crush it in the future. Tonic fam, if you made it to this part of the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Spreading this video gets it out into the algorithm and could get new eyes on the project. Free marketing. And if this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.